Welcome to SI 527. Its course is about derivative pricing. Its name is Introduction to Derivative Pricing. So first is running the course, right?
So the recording seems to be off.
No, I have started online, screen recording because it gave me a message that whiteboard will not be recorded.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, so I'm just parallelly recording the screen, so I probably will post that. Okay, running the course is, as you know, we have classes on Wednesday and Friday, right? 9:30 to I think 11. Okay, so it's a 6 credit course, therefore 3 hours per week, and it is covered in this in these times. But of course, I will not be giving you online class like what I'm doing now. Okay, the classes will be recorded and uploaded on YouTube. Okay, it will be a very small file, therefore it should not be a big burden for you to view it. Like each class, each lecture will be cut into half an hour. Okay, it means you have actually this is 6 credits, so 3 hours. So I will be putting 4 files, 4 videos every week. Okay, each of half an hour. Okay, it means 2 hours are covered in this. Okay, plus 1 hour every week is a live session, which is now going on. Okay, so live session 1 hour plus 2 hours videos uploaded on YouTube. Okay, so we are therefore covering 3 hours. So this is how we will go ahead with the class. I will try to cover all the portions which I showed in the syllabus, and also I will send you an email. Okay, sometimes little fast I may go, sometimes it may be slower depending on the availability of time, but as far as possible I will not take over time than what is specified, because I understand that you also have to do parallelly other courses, so I don't want to do that. Okay, so this is how the class goes on. Okay, now the second part is about the evaluation. It's very simple. Okay, we have 100 marks, all that, that. Okay, so we will have 10 exams, okay, or quizzes, whatever you want to name it. 10 exams, each of 10 marks. Okay, so 10 into 10, I hope it is 100. Okay, so this is what is the plan. 10 exams, each of 10 marks. All are online exams as of today, and unless we in between come and meet physically, till then it is an online exam. Okay, how are we going to conduct these exams is the next question. So we will conduct the exam by what we do is, I will post the question paper on Moodle. And also send through email.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of our student is waiting for you.
I cannot escape from this because I asked them to come between 9:15 to 9:45. I extended it up to 9:40. Okay, if they are late, they have to be out. Okay, so let us not entertain them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the questions will be posted on Moodle and email. Okay. And of course, as you all know very well, that I will be monitoring you on MS Teams and you will write exams. All that exam rules I will not repeat it. Okay. And and you will upload the answer sheets. Similarly, upload answer sheets. More details I will send on email. Those who have taken probability course in the just one last semester will know very well. You have to upload the answer sheets on Moodle or email. Okay, one of this as per your availability of the internet, and sometimes Moodle you may not be able to upload, then you can quickly send it in email. Okay, for that. So this is how it goes. You have to upload the answer sheets in PDF file. All that extra informations I will send in email as and when the exams happen. The dates, as soon as we finish some topic, we will take an exam. Like that, we'll keep on accumulating. Okay. Mid-sem and end-sem will have 2 exams consecutively within the 3 hours or 4 hours, whatever they give. Okay, we'll have 2 exams. Exam means it is a package, 10 marks exam. Okay, so mid-sem and end-sem will have 2 exams. It means they are for 20 marks. Okay, one exam will be over, then half an hour break, another exam. Okay, during that mid-sem and end-sem time, we'll run 2 exams. Now, how the question paper will look like? Okay, so let me just write. The question paper will be, I will not give you the questions now, but the format of the question paper I will give you. Okay, each question paper will have 3 questions. Okay, each carrying 5 marks. Okay, so 5 into 3 is 15, of course, but maximum is only 10 marks. Okay, suppose you got 12 marks in your exam, say 3 marks in the first question, 5 marks in the second question, and say 4 marks in the third question. You got 12 marks, but then you will be given only 10 marks. Okay, I will not scale it, but it is called open choice. Okay, so you have freedom to write any question in any order and in any form you may score. If your mark is less than 10, whatever you score is your mark. If your mark is greater than 10, like how I showed here, it is 10 marks. Okay, like that it goes on. So this is the evaluation procedure. Okay, and uploading questions, the videos. Okay, so let me come back to uploading videos. Upload will happen between Wednesday and Friday. Okay, As I told you, 4 files I will upload. 4 video files. I will upload anytime between Wednesday and Friday. Okay. And you are supposed to view all these files. Okay. And take a notes of all of them. Okay. So what I advise you, of course, you have your own way of studying, preparing for exams, studying, understanding everything. You will have your own way of doing. But let me just suggest you from my side what will be very efficient for you. Okay. So you may take it as just a advice. Okay. As soon as I upload, you watch the video. Okay. Watch the video. Okay. And I will also tell you, I will give you, also I will give notes. Okay. Preferably a typed notes. Okay. A typed notes I will give you. If somebody is not able to hear me, you tell me. Okay. You watch the video with the notes, with the given notes. Okay. Please note, something I may cover in video which is not in the notes, and something which is there in the notes is not covered in the video. Okay. So you have to do both. Okay. Do both together. Okay. You sit with the video and the notes and follow it, everything, and take your own notes. Take your own notes. Okay. This is my advice. Take your own notes by combining this two, because I will be covering something which is just not in notes, and something are given in the notes which is not in video. Okay. You make your own notes, handwritten notes, because right from my student time, I experienced and I strongly believe that whatever we write as a notes will stand in our mind more firmly. Okay. And that will only be taken as a knowledge. Okay. Therefore, I want my students to write their own notes, well organized, well structured notes. You write and keep. Okay. And any question, doubt you have, you can either write on email. Okay. Doubt. Doubt. Okay. Either on email or every week live session. Recall, our live sessions are on every Wednesday, 9:30. Okay. It can go up to any time as per our discussions. It can be, generally it won't go more than 1.5 hours. Okay. But I will try to hold you for at least 1 hour, because it is designated to be for 1 hour. Okay. Therefore, I will try to hold you for 1 hour, but it can go for more than 1 hour also. Okay. Depending on your discussions, question raised, and so on, my explanation, and so on. So it can be more. So you take your own notes, follow it up, and any doubts, questions, you can email me, or you can come directly on live session and ask. But I prefer you to send in email first, so that if some difficult question you ask, I can prepare possibly some material and show you in the live session also. Therefore, as soon as you get a doubt, you just send me on email. Okay. I may or may not respond to that email, depending on, if it is a very easy explanation, I can just send on email. If I feel that no, it takes some time, then I may just take it up in the live session and discuss with you about the doubts. Okay, so that is the main purpose of live session. And of course we can talk about other things, okay, like what is when is the exam, how things go. If any kind of question you have, you can ask in the live session. Okay, so that is about the live session. And what else, something else I wanted to tell you, which I forgot. So if you have doubts, you can ask me on email, and then of course we can meet on live session. Okay, and now what is the grading and all is yeah, I'll tell you the grading system. Generally I follow up. So the grading is 90 and above, okay, is AA. Okay, 40% of first mark, okay, is DD. Okay, if you have to pass, you have to make sure that your friends are not scoring much, right? If the first mark is 0, 0 is the pass. If the first mark is 100, 140 is the pass. Yeah. Yeah, any question? So if you don't have any question, I will just go ahead. Other grades are related. Other grades are related. So this is generally, I will follow it in all my courses. Okay, so this is all about I want to say. So it goes like this. Finally, every Wednesday to Friday, I will post 4 half-an-hour videos on YouTube, and also I will send you a typed notes for that video. I will send in email, as well as I will post it on Moodle. Okay, as per your convenience, you can access in any way you want. Keep the video and the notes, follow very carefully. Okay, and make your own notes. Okay, and that you try to finish before Monday, Tuesday, so that you can discuss with me on the next coming live session. So it means whatever I'm going to post from today to Friday, we will discuss that part on next Wednesday. Okay, and similarly, next Wednesday to Friday, whatever I post will be discussed on the coming Wednesday. Like that, it goes on. Okay. And one more important thing is the exams are open book exams. Okay, exams are open book exams. Okay, so it means you are allowed to use any book, including the notes that you are taking and the notes that I am giving. Okay, but you are not supposed to chat with any student. Okay, that's the only thing. Even if you want, you can Google and try to get the answer from Google. Okay, and write it and get your marks done. Okay, so anything you want to do, you do, but don't discuss during the exam with your friends. Okay, that is the only restriction I'll put. You sit in your house with your gadgets and do what you want. Okay, within the time you have to give. Exams are for 45 minutes. Okay, each exam, I told you, is for 10 marks. 3 questions will come, each of 5 marks. Okay, 3 question, 10 marks, 3 question, which I told you. It is for 45 minutes. Okay, how I split, I will send you an email. Okay, 5 minutes for downloading and reading questions. Okay, reading questions. Okay, 10 minutes for, this is minutes, 10 minutes for reading question. Again, this is just my suggestion. You will do in your own way on the spot. Many things will go on as per your own nature, but I'm just giving you my calculation. 10 minutes you will give for 2 questions, so 20 minutes for 2 questions. One question is only for 5 minutes, so 5 minutes, so half an hour went off in this, right? So totally 30 minutes already gone, and remaining 15 is for taking the photograph of your answer sheets, converting them into PDF, and then uploading the answer sheet, okay, in PDF only. So this is how I have decided 45 minutes. They all went on very well in the last semester. Therefore, I want to follow it exactly in the same way. I have also given 5 minutes exam, 5-mark exams, but that seems to be not necessary. 10 marks exam looks more nice. Okay, so therefore 45 minutes exam. Finally, this is only my suggestion. 45 minutes. 10 mark, 3 questions will be asked. Okay, open choice, as I told you previously. And the live session, okay, so that's one thing. It's an open book exam. Okay, you can literally do anything that you want. You can bring all the library to your house, keep it, or download all the books which are available. There are thousands of books available. Okay, you can download and keep them and write. Okay, but my suggestion is, okay, prepare well. You need not memorize because your notes is with you. Prepare well. Whatever you feel is important, you write in your notes and finally keep that, because at that 10 minutes each question, how long you will sit and search, and how many books, and how many pages of Google you will go, right? So I will make sure that first 3 Google, if you put any search, first 3 pages, surely I will make sure that the questions answers are not there in the Google. That I will make sure. So many people who rely on Google, they finally got hardly DD, CD, BB like that. Okay, I know. By looking at your answers, I can make out who all have taken the help of Google, who all taken the help of any book. I know that. Okay, so it's a very advanced warning that don't rely on Google or books. Okay, rely on your notes. Don't memorize. That's the best part of this open book exam, is you need not memorize it. Write the notes, and that is the preparation for your exam. Okay, you be familiar with what concept is on which page. Okay, immediately you open that page, take that formula, do the calculations, and write the answer. Okay, you will just have time for that. Okay, you will never have time. If you do that, then your uploading will become late. Even 1 second late uploading, I will not accept. You have to take your makeup exam only. So anything that if you are not able to upload, there will be a makeup exam at the end of the course. Okay, you have to face the exam. Okay, and let me tell you, the makeup exam that I gave last semester, those who have taken that exam, everybody got 0 marks. Okay, so therefore don't rely on makeup exam. Rely on it only if you are not well. Okay, due to medical reasons. At that time you have to pray God and take your makeup exam. Pray God that you won't get 0 marks in makeup exam. Okay, believe me, in the last semester, not only last semester, in almost 90% of in my experience, my makeup exam maximum mark was 0. Okay, so don't rely on makeup exam. Okay, today, okay, let me take makeup exam. Don't think like that. Okay. Okay, so this is all I think about what I want to say. If you have, yeah. So
Hello, sir.
I don't know. This has something very crazy behavior. It all of a sudden goes. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, so sir, regarding the upload statement, so sir, can you kindly reduce the actual writing time and like open the uploading time?
No. What you're saying?
So sir, like you mentioned that if someone uploads 1 second late,
Hmm.
so their hello.
Yeah. Tell me. I'm able to hear you.
Mm-hmm. So their exam will be cancelled, right? Like
Yes.
they'll have to give makeup examination
Yes.
for that one.
Yeah.
Yes. So can you kindly stop like reduce the writing time and like open the upload time?
No. See, it is not that. I will give you 45 minutes. Say, for instance, the exam starts at 10 o'clock. Okay. I will tell you what I will be doing precisely. Okay. Suppose the exam starting time is 10 o'clock. Its closing time is at 10:45. Right. So you will be coming at you will be coming at 9:45 online. Okay. And 9:55 I will upload the question paper. Okay. As soon as you receive the question paper, you can start writing. Okay. So 9:55 your question paper will be uploaded. Okay. Exam starts at 10 o'clock. Okay. So you will probably, if your internet is very fast, 9:55.1 itself, you would have got your question paper. You would have opened it at 9:56 itself. You start writing. Okay. Now all I want is your answer sheet should reach before 10:45. That is my demand. Okay. The cutoff that I gave you here is just my suggestion. Okay. You may finish the exam by 10:15 itself. Then you simply convert it and upload it. Okay. This 45 minutes is for you. In fact, it is 50 minutes. That 5 minutes which I give I will not count, because sometimes what happens is my file will not be visible for some people. They will be panicked. They say, sir, my file is not visible. Can you just upload it on MS Teams? They will say. Okay. Then I have to go and upload it on MS Teams also. Then they say, yeah, I'm able to see. So this needs some 2-3 minutes at least. So that is why I just give you a grace time of 5 minutes beforehand. But there is no grace time beyond 10:45. Okay. But within this 45 minutes, effectively 50 minutes, you can write in any way you want. Time management is up to you. You upload anytime you want. Okay. After uploading, you have to stay on the camera. That is the only constraint. Okay. You may upload at 10:15, but you have to stay on the camera till 10:45. Okay. That's the only constraint you have. Okay. I hope that is answering you, or you have other question.
No, sure, sir. Yeah, I understand. Sure, sir.
Yes. Okay. So it's okay, right?
Oh, sir, good morning, sir. So, do we have any exam next week?
Exam next week, I'm not sure, but surely, okay. Suppose the exam is on next Wednesday. This way, today I will be announcing. Okay. So if I'm not announcing today, it means next Wednesday you don't have exam. If I'm not announcing on Friday, it means you don't have exam on next Friday. Okay. So every exam, at least 1 week ahead, I will announce. Okay.
Sir, actually, I'm traveling next week. That's the reason I was asking.
So now it is online, so you can while you are traveling in the flight you cannot, but if you are traveling in the train you can write your exam, right? Yeah, so
Sir,
yeah.
I didn't get anything about what is about the assignment or tutorial or practice.
Yes, it means there is no assignment. Okay, all are exams. There is no assignment at all. And tutorials, yeah, while doing the see, this is a 6 credit course, therefore we have very less time for tutorials. If we give time to tutorial, we may not be able to cover. So what I'll be doing is every notes while going teaching itself, I'll be posing the questions which will be there in the notes then and there as problems. Okay, if I feel some problem is very difficult, I will discuss it in the lecture hours itself. Okay. Like after every chapter, there will be a tutorial session where I'll be giving you only hints, quick hints on how to solve the problems. Beyond that, if you are not able to solve the problem, we can take it up in the live session, or you can write me an email where I can give you hint on email. If I feel that that hint needs to be shared with everybody because it's little non-trivial, then I will take it up and give that same hint which I gave you on email to in the live session also. Okay. So it's mostly covered in the live session and quickly in the lecture hours, the tutorials. There is no assignments, no weightage for
Okay, sir.
assignments. Yeah.